Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I'll show you how to remove the central console on a 2021 Ford Ecosport. Alright guys, so here we are. I just moved the seat a little bit forward. I did already took this off. Oh wait a second, yeah. It's not really hard, you just need some plastic removals, plastic breaker removal. I didn't even use anything, I just took it off. There's a connector here, and then you have two 10mm screws right here and here, and then we're gonna move forward. Here in the front we do have this here and other side. It's exactly the same 10mm. It's exactly the same on the driver's side, left side. You unscrew this, and then we also have to take this thing, comes all together out. I'll try to get it off. Same thing here. Moved out. Boom. Looks like this is supposed to come out easy. Yeah, and then you unplug all the connectors, and next we take this off. Can take this off too. Just like that. Same story, unplug all the connectors and take it off. This thing doesn't come out without moving the shifter. Put the emergency brake on, start the car, and take this off. There's one more connector. That's it. This is it, my friend. So what we have left to do, like I said, unscrew those 10mm on the side, and then take this and this out. And so far this is it. Let me check around, see if we have stuff in here too. I'll take this off too. See, just want to make sure. I'm not sure if I should. I don't think so. Anyway, let's try to take this. See the console comes out. Alright guys, so I did not take this off, but you definitely have to take the emergency brake cover off. It's very easy. It has clips, just like that. You know, take it off, and then it has here, and then you just pump it out. It's not a big thing. Push it out, it pops out. It has only clips after the screw. Take it off. I'll show you this way. See, it's something like that, and it just comes out easily. Yep, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Here is it, and then looks like, yep. So you just lift up right there. Give me 1 second. I cannot do the same thing same time. Give me one. So I was taking it off, and there's like a wire harness under, so you pop this out, and then you can reach your hand under all the way inside. There's like two connectors. It depends on trim too. This car has a good trim, and this is how the connectors look like. Yeah, and that's it guys. This is it. Console is out right there in the back. Alright fellas, this is it. That was a short video how to remove the central console on a 2020, 21, 22, 23 Ford Ecosport. Why I did remove it, like I said, it was the airbag module doesn't work. So I'm gonna go turn off the engine, take the battery out, and remove the airbag module. Alright guys, see you next time.